Hello, my new friends. Vika from the Creative Maze is here, and today I would like to sum up all the information connected to my challenge, sketching challenge, birds, people and bad sketches. We will find out if something have changed in in our minds, in our sketches, and we will compare our point A sketch and point B and found out if there is any difference between them. This creative challenge was designed for people who would like to add some art in their lives, to become more creative, to start sketching regularly, to practice creative thinking, and to make their lives more maybe interesting, bright and inspiring. If you joined me just on this video, you can watch this video, this number 1, and start this challenge from the beginning. I would like to announce you our short statistics. This challenge took 7 days, and I filmed 7 videos to it. This video is the 8th. Total timing of this challenge is 145 minutes. It is 2 hours 25 minutes. I have drawn 40 sketches during this week, and I include here the number of sketches to all exercises, and also sketches for warming up. And I would never imagine that I can draw so many sketches just in 1 week. During this challenge I invented and conducted 3 tutorials. First was about how to warm up your creative muscles before your sketching practice. Second was how to draw emotions, very bright, sharp and emotional emotions. And the last one was how to turn on your creative thinking, even for total beginners. And finally, I launched my free online sketch club, which is situated on my Telegram channel. I will put a link below. This is a place where you can show your sketches connected to the challenge and get my feedback, my support, and just to create in the friendly environment with like-minded people. This sketch club will be working even after my challenge, so you can join it anytime and continue from that point when you join. I will tell you briefly about every of these 7 days, what have we done this way, and so we will collect the library with links, and you can easily reach any day you like to find out more. Day number 1. Day number 1. This was the first video of the day. I told what is this challenge for whom it was designed, how it could help you, and we also have drawn our first sketches to the challenge and defined our point A in sketching. The day 2, here it was a tutorial with 3 tricks how to start drawing quicker, bolder, and in a crazy way, let's say. And every day we had our sketching practice. I will not tell about you later, just keep it in mind. Day number 3, it was silent sketching practice together. We just we were drawing for 15 minutes without conversation, without any explanation, just sketching in the real time in a friendly company. Day number 4. In this video I explained all my thoughts, why we need such silent sketching practices together, how it could help us, for whom it was designed, and all details you need to know to join this format. And I also decided to do this practice regularly, so we already had 2 issues, 2 episodes. On day number 5 we goofed around together, made crazy, emotional, funny faces, and tried to draw emotions. At the day 6 we turned on our creative thinking. We tried to invent some crazy and absurd stories, and we watched some pages from the book, one of the coolest sketchers I know, Felix Scheinberger. Day number 7, we defined our point B in sketching. We made our last sketch of the challenge, and we also discussed the topic how to get things done. All the videos to this challenge I collected here in the playlist. You can return to it anytime and try to complete it once again, maybe to recall some tutorials, maybe to practice with me a little bit more. You can do it anytime. And now it's time for our climax of this video. We are going to compare my first sketch and my last sketch of this week, point A and point B. Here are 2 of my sketches, my point A and point B, which I was drawn for this challenge, and only 1 week between them. The first I have drawn after a long break in sketching, and the second was drawn after a week of intensive regular sketching practice and different exercises, tricks, and warming up for drawing, for sketching. Observe these 2 sketches attentively, and you can define difference between them. Look not only on sketches and on plots, but also on the manner of drawing. If strokes and lines have changed, maybe something happened with confidence of the artists. Maybe you can find out something else, some other differences. And now take your point A and point B sketches from this challenge, compare them, and try to find out differences. What have changed? If the transformation happened to you, maybe you become more bold, or your timing is much quicker, maybe you came to authenticity, maybe you get confidence. Anyway, praise yourself, because if you see the difference just in 1 week, what could happen in a month of regular sketching, or even in 100 days, or 1 year? Let's see. I will tell you a couple of words about my impression of the challenge. What have I got out of it? Not only the basement of the habit how to draw every day, but also how to film videos and showing up to people. I also I invented a lot of ideas for my future videos. I have made 3 tutorials. When I started this challenge, I had never idea that I will do tutorials. I suppose that we will draw together and end of story, but in reality it is different. I also learned how to make videos, how to edit them, how to, prepare them to uploading. A lot of this information connected with YouTube. And I also got an idea to my closest project on YouTube. It will happen, I will start it tomorrow. It will connect it to St. Valentine's Day, so stay tuned. I also faced the truth how discipline is important. When you create something every day and show it, you need to find your priority and devote time to it every day and be consistent. But you also need to think about balance in your life, not to get tired very much, or try to avoid burnout. So you should relax and have fun before you get tired, and create meaningful rest for yourself. Go for long walking, and maybe do yoga, maybe read good quality books or watch beautiful movies. Do anything you need to relax and charge your batteries. My favorite day of a challenge is number 6, when we invented stories, funny, crazy, absurd stories based on our sketch references, photo references. And in my case, it was a photo with farmer and an all on his head, and it was a photo. I will show you. This was a photo reference to the 6th day, and after observing it during the video, we turned on our creative thinking, came up to different ideas. And even invented story, and even invented absurd stories. And in my story, it was farmer gone with owls. And after this setting to a story, I almost able to write the whole story, maybe a fairy tale based on this setting. So this sketching practice provokes creativity in other fields, so in literature, for example. And now tell me, what was your favorite day of this challenge and why? Write it in comments. My future plans to this YouTube channel briefly. The closest video will be about how to start your own creative project. It will connect it with romance, love and St. Valentine's Day. It will not be a course or workshop, no. I will just show you my process working on the project, and I invite you to join me, because I will give you some guidelines and you can do it also. Even if you don't draw, even if you think that you are not creative, for you it is even better, because you will find out a lot of interesting things you have never thought about it. This Sunday, 15th of February, we are going to have our traditional silent sketching session together. We will draw people, characters from the carnival in Rio, but you can choose any topic or suggestions you would like. You just come and draw with me and feel that atmosphere of creating together. In the 20th of February, the great, huge creative marathon starts. It is hosted by Lindsay Thompson, and I decided to join it. It is called the 100-day project. I'm going to continue develop my habit of sketching every day, and I will film my creative path, my transformation. I will not show it every single day, but maybe once or twice a week to define changes, to share my thoughts, and to document my 100-day creative journey. And of course, I invite you to join this marathon. I will film a video about it and about rules, guidelines, and how to complete this challenge very soon. So there are a lot of creative plans and projects ahead, and I invite you to join me if you'd like not only to build a regular habit of sketching and drawing, but also would like to create your life more bright, more vivid, more emotional, and truly yours. With me, you can immerse yourself in the creative environment, have a lot of fun, and learn some creative tricks which could make your sketches bold, crazy, and authentic. And these creative routines, they are super useful not only for people who draw, but who never tried to do it. Wonder why it is so? Write in comments, and I will film the special video with all the explanation what benefits could you get out of creative routines. That's it for today. Thank you for spending this time with me, and I'm waiting for you on my next video. If you'd like to do something interesting and creative in a friendly and like-minded environment, but you don't have it, just grab your pencils, paper, and come to draw with me. See you!